Okay. Yes, children, in this video, I'll teach you some mental calculations based on percentage, as well as I will take some few questions, different types of questions. Okay. Now, mental calculations, you know that 20% of 100 is 20, 30% of 100 is 30, and so on. Yes, 25% of 100 means 25% of anything out of 100. If I am calculating, it is the same number itself. Yeah. Now, 20% of 100 is 20. So, 20% of 200 will be 200 will be, yes, 100 into 2, yes, that means 40, double of this. Of 300 will be triple of this. Of same, so you should know how to calculate it mentally now. Yes, 20% means 1/5. Yes, or you can just multiply, divide by 5, 200, 1/5 of 200, 1/5 of 300, you can easily calculate. Yeah. Similarly, when it comes to 25% of 100, you know is 25. So if there's a discount of 25% off and the price is 200, then you will think, okay, how much is the discount? Now you need a pen and a paper. No need. 25% just calculate out of 100, it is 25 rupees. So 200 will be double of 25, 50 rupees. If it is 300, it will be 75 rupees and so on. Clear? And if it is 1000 rupee and you have 20, that's very easy. 100 into 10 times, no? So into 10. So 25, that means it becomes 250. There's another way of doing this, like you are asked to find 25% of 240. Now you will think, okay, 100, 200 was okay, but when it comes to 240, so why did I teach you that 25% means 1/4? So 1/4 of 240 is how much? See, so simple, 60. So try doing all these calculations mentally to find this percentage of this is what? Yes, 25%, at least 20%, 25%, 50% is half, you know. Yes, similarly, if it is 75%, then you can find 3/4 of something. Yes, and 200% means 200. So do Mindspark, you will learn a lot, children. Now, what percent is, now there are questions of this type in your book. What percent is 250 paisa of rupees 5? What percent you have to calculate as a percentage? That means 250 paisa is what percent of rupees 5? What is rupees 5? Rupees 5 is 500 paisa. 1 rupee is 100 paisa, so 5 rupee is 500 paisa. So 250 paisa is what percent of 500 paisa? So how will you write? 250 upon 5, as a fraction it is 250 upon 500. Yes, I hope you understand. 250 paisa out of 500 paisa. Now convert it to percentage, you multiply by 100. So 250 is half of 500. You should know this. This is half of 100 is, that gives you 50%. Clear? Now let us take another question. What percent is 250 gram of 1 kg? Now 1 kg has how many grams? It has to be the same unit. 1 kg has 1000 grams. Yes, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 250 gram of 1000 gram, what percent? So what do we write? 250 out of 1000. Of 1000, what is the percentage? When I 250 out of 1000, what is the, how will you express it as a percentage? So you multiply by 100. When you multiply by 100, just cancel all the 3 zeros here and 3 zeros here. You get 25%. Clear? Yes. When we have a question of this type, what percent is this of this? Always remember what is there after of goes in the denominator. Whatever is there after of goes in the denominator. Now we have a different kind of a question, same question, but the language is different, children. Now here they are saying what percent of 1 kg is 250. Now children get confused in this. Now what percent is 250 gram of 1 kg? Or they write what percent of 1 kg is 250 gram. So I told you whatever comes after of goes in the denominator. Remember this. It is a very simple way to understand. Yes, the same question is asked in a different, the language is different. And the children get, so 250 upon, here also it is 250 upon 1000 into 100. Yes, but the language, what percent of this is this, or what percent is 250 of 1 kg, or what percent of 1 kg. So whatever comes after of goes in the denominator, and 1 kg will go in the denominator as 1000 grams. Now another type of a question which says 20% of a number is 200. Find the number. Again, 20% of a number is 200. What do you mean 20% means 1/5? 1/5 of a number is 200. Do it mentally. Yes, 1/5 of a number is 200. So number will be 5 times 200, that is 1000. Yes, there's another way. Okay, let the number be x. 20% of x is 200. So x will be equal to 200. This 100 goes in the numerator, 20 goes in the denominator. 20 upon 100, see, it's the same thing as I told you mentally. If you do 20 into, this is 5, 25 is 1000. If you do it mentally, 20% of a number is 200. 20% I told you, yes, that 20% is 1/5. 25% is 1/4. Yes, 50% is half. And 75% is 3/4. Yes, so you should know this and should be able to do it. You can do it mentally, or you take the number as x. 20% of x is 200. Now apply linear equations and solve for x. X is 200. This goes in the numerator, this goes in the denominator, and you get the answer as 1000. Another type of question is increase the number 50 by 30%. Increase the number 50 by 30%, like that means that you have 50 and 50 increased by 30% will be more than 50. Okay, so what are we doing is 50 plus 30% of 50. How to find 30% of 50? 30 upon 100 into 50. Do it orally. 30% of 50 is how much? 5 3s are 15. 15. Yes, or 51s are 2s are 2 15s are. Yes, you get 15. 50 plus 15 is, that gives you 65. Clear? We have to add 50. Children don't add. They just find 30% of 50 and they write the answer. It is saying what is the value when 50 is increased by 30%. You have to increase 50 by 30%, means 30% of 50 is 15 and plus 50. So the final number is 65. Similarly, you can have decrease the number 50 by 30%. When it comes to decrease by 30%, same process, but we subtract. Now the number will be smaller. Yes, smaller than 50. So that means you need to subtract. Decrease it by 50%, 30%, sorry. So 50 minus 30% of 50, 30% of 50 will be, see this 0, this 5 3s are 15. So 50 minus 15, that gives you 35. Clear? There's another important formula here, children, that what is increase. If you are asked ki the value of land increases, its value was 2 lakh and it is increased to 3 lakhs in 1 year. So what is the percentage increase? So when they are asking you percentage increase, what will you do? Increase in value divided by original value into 100. Increase in value means like 2 lakh, initial cost was 2 lakh, original cost, and now it is 3 lakh. Yes, so what is the increase in value? Final minus original. 1 lakh is the increase in value divided by original value was 2 lakh. Yes, so 1 upon 2 into 100. Half into 100 is how much? 50%. That you can do orally also. 2 lakh becomes 3 lakh. What is the percentage increase? Yes, 50% is increasing by 1 lakh now. So which is for 50% of 2 lakh. Okay, now similarly decrease percent. Decrease in value upon original value into 100. Please note down these formulae. Decrease percent is decrease in value upon original. Now like we buy computers and all. Today I have bought it for rupees 60,000 and after you say 6 months or after a year, its value becomes only 20%. Now it was of 60,000 that I have bought and now this is the original value. And now it is worth only 20,000 because the technology is changing faster, you know. So what is the decrease in its value? You are at a loss of 40,000 rupees. So decrease in value is 40,000 divided by original value was 60,000 multiplied by 100 and you get the decrease percent. Yes, rest of the questions, children, in the book are, this is the basics that I have taught you today. Yes, rest of the questions in the book are all application based, percentage of boys, present, absent or something like this. So we will do that in the next class, but try doing this much. Okay, thank you.